Hello everyone out there. My name is Rachel. I live in Germany and I live in a city called Hanover. I am originally a Ugandan, born and raised in Kampala. Beautiful city, beautiful weather out there. Well, that's not the reason I'm here. I'm here to share with you guys, and I would like also you to share with me most of the beauty techniques. I've studied it and I've taken 2 years of diploma, and I've studied in a beautiful school here in Hanover. It's called Hanover Cosmetic College Hanover. That's where I've gone for my studies, and I managed to acquire a diploma. I'm 36 years of age, and according to how I know things, how things go out there, maybe I don't look my ears, maybe not, maybe yeah, I don't know. Basically, we hear that we're gonna talk about beauty techniques. We're gonna talk about how to maintain your skin for the daily routine. We will be talking about so many different topics, so please subscribe, like and share in case you would like to know more about any of my videos and all the beauty techniques, keeping healthy, keeping younger, how to maintain your skin, how to avoid wrinkles, avoiding having wrinkles. We're gonna be talking about how to keep your body very healthy. You can tell me what you want and I can advise on what you want. What I think is good for me might be good for you as well.